Okay, McCain asked me to direct her big new movie, Save the Egg. I'm setting it in the ancient past, following in the footsteps of my ancestors, the woolly mammoths.
Wow, the set looks really realistic.
Let's get into costumes! Don't worry, I'll get you to a safe place where you can hatch.
Sorry I'm late. Don't worry, I'll get you to a safe place where you can hatch.
Scooter, what are you doing?
McCain asked me to direct her movie. I'm setting it in the future. Operation Keep Eggs Safe from Evil Robots is a go.
Huh? Oh, no! I'm directing this movie, and we're doing it in the ancient past. Follow my lead.
You folks seen any mammoths running around here with an egg?
Oh, them must be on their way to the, egg convention way over there. That oughta...
We'll be back at HQ in no time. 3 cheers for the future.
3 cheers for the past.
Future!
Past!
Future!
Past!
Whoa. Robot mammoths? Huh?
It's the future and the past combining to make something better than both. It's the Few-pasture.
There's no egg convention way over there.
Come on, Tuma. Let's get out of here.
McCain, of course. You set this whole thing up, making us both directors so we'd learn how to work together.
What? Oh, yeah, totally didn't just ask you both by mistake. Good job, team!
Hi, my name's Una. Want to color a dazzling design like this one? Or maybe something new that's all your own? Then try out this Scribble Scrubby Pets app so we can scribble, scrub, and scribble again all day long. See you soon!
Welcome to Francesca's vlog. Today, I'm making a pencil holder out of a pineapple. It's sweet and neat.
It may be sweet and neat, but that won't get you the views.
Well, I guess it would be nice if more people saw my videos.
Listen to me, Biko the vlogging expert, and you'll get gazillions of views. And action!
This is the Living in a Bouncy Castle for 24 hours to win $infinity challenge!
Wait, bouncing's not trending anymore. The people want slime! simply can't get enough. Slime time needs more slime! Wait, the views are plummeting. The slime's got to go. Come on, what's trending? Bouncing. No, wait. Baking. Wait. Both at the same time.
Whisk everything together and in the oven. No.
This whole thing should have been you as a chicken.
Thanks, Biko, but your ideas just aren't me. I'm gonna vlog my own way. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a bouncy castle with cake frosting.
Ugh, who's going to watch this? She's putting the cake frosting in the bouncy castle? This is the greatest vlog I've ever seen.
Ta-da!
Whoa.
Oh, and the frosting gives it a little extra bounce.
Space, here I come!
All right, everyone. Our quest is to destroy the Bracelet of Power in the bubbles of Bubble Mountain. Into costumes. A dangerous voyage awaits. Is that what you're wearing?
Uh-huh. Look at all the pockets. I hope we see birds on this trip. Bird!
Beware the lava of doom!
Oh, this is really opening up my pores. Come on in, Scooter. You look stressed.
A treacherous beast! We'll need to attack it by surprise. Ready? I said, ready? We're supposed to fight the beast, not roast marshmallows with it.
More?
Forget it. I'll just finish this movie myself. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Scooter! There's another monster you can battle! Scooter? McKenna? I think it wants to eat us! Oh boy, what would Scooter do? I know! Scooter!
You guys, you're getting into the spirit of the quest!
It's actually pretty fun! Beware the wing-headed ogre! Grrr!
Come on, everyone! We've got a bracelet to destroy!
breakers everywhere. No running. No roller skating. No walking on the grass.
Disculpa? Who are you?
Name's Fiona, new studio manager. I'm here to get you working like a well-oiled movie machine. You can start by not walking on the grass.
Oh, Fiona, this is a set. It isn't real.
Real or fake, rules are rules.
Where'd McKenna go?
The same place all rule breakers go.
Sulking kids. Gum-ridden desks. This can only mean...
Welcome to detention.
Maybe there's an escape tunnel behind the poster. Tunnel behind the poster. Tunnel behind the poster. Tunnel behind...
Tearing posters?
Clyde! What are you in for?
Apparently, I'm not supposed to jump on my office furniture. Why else would I have it? Please take your seats for over-the-top rule video. No, not the video!
This is the world, and this is the world without rules. I know it looks the same, but trust me, it's much worse. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
We've got to get out of here.
Maybe we can use the rules to our advantage.
That gives me an idea. McKenna, come up with a plan. Plotting escape against the rules.
I've got it. Robot, it's me, Fiona. I have a new rule for you. Don't follow the rules.
How can I follow rules and not follow rules at the same time?
Quick, let's get back to Peach.
Stop right there! Why can't you be like me? I haven't broken the rules or had fun in years!
But Fiona, look where you're standing.
I thought this day would never come.
Woo! Ah!
Well, Clyde, there's only one thing left to do. Tunnel behind the poster!
Hi, my name's Una. Want to color a dazzling design like this one? Or maybe something new that's all your own? Then try out this Scribble Scrubby Pets app so we can scribble, scrub, and scribble again all day long. See you soon!